Ridiculously slow update vlog number 1. The last time I spoke to everybody, I was super happy and I was optimistic and things were getting done. Kind of. The last thing anyone saw me do was the seatbelts. So there was a bit of a vlog and I removed one of the seatbelts, which was in here. However, it only got partially removed before we had to take a power drill to it. So that thing is finally out, which is great. But that also means that that was the last thing to get done because we got a little bit stymied. Let's go for a walk. So if we come around this way, obviously this door here cannot open, which is a problem because I need to get in here. To do that, we needed to get to the bolts in here, which is really dark, and I apologize for the dark and unfocused camera. To do that, we need to get through all of this and all of this because the bolts are here, 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 and down there. Now I have taken a bit of time to start taking this all apart. You can see some of the bolts in the very dark over there. And I've started to take apart this here. Unfortunately, I have been sick and off work again and have been able to finish that, but we are getting closer. The unfortunate fact is, however, that I just haven't had time and I've been too sick. In good news, packages. You may have seen this in a previous background shot, but the new front bumper, check out that curved shaped box. That was interesting to get in the car. And the front mesh have arrived. You can see there are all the plastics from the driver's side seatbelt removal. And a few other parts which you probably just saw me unwrap now. And another part here which is a bit of an extra and we're going to hold on to. And in even better news, we have an aerial. So we have a new aerial, we have 2 new extensions for our rails, which are now remotely in focus, including all their bolts, a new antenna mechanism, which we're going to hold on to just in case. That's a really good thing to have around for future reference. And buried deep in there is another headlight. Now, I was hoping to get this done a lot quicker than I have been, but due to being sick and due to having to take an industrial grade hammer drill to get that seatbelt off, this is going to take a little bit more time than I expected. Keep your eyes peeled because we will be doing more soon, but it's going to be a bit slower than I'd like. The car is booked in to go to a shop next week. I have just been waiting for funds to trickle in from work to pay for that excursion, in which we're going to see the rails on the front left-hand side upgraded and fixed, right-hand side, and the fender fixed, and hopefully the bonnet as well. And just a recap so that everyone's aware, the bonnet obviously bends here because it's come all the way across, And let's actually take this down. Okay. Something you guys haven't seen before is what the bonnet looks like when it's actually down. So you can see the massive, massive gap here. But then it swings across to being over here. It is, of course, a massive gap here, and then comes right over the fender here. Not exactly ideal, but that is one of the other things that's going to be fixed. Moving forward, guys. Things are a little bit slow at the moment. They will get quicker. I am going to be posting up a video soon about some CAN bus stuff. That should be arriving in the mail very shortly. Keep your eyes peeled for that. That will hopefully fill with some content in the meantime, so you guys can see some of the engine swap related stuff that's coming, which we're going to be doing some pre-work on. I will see you next time. I am still sick, so this is going to be posted up fairly late. Catch you guys. Right, so thanks for tuning in today. I'm Matt. This has been Bogan Engineering. If you really like what we're doing, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and if you're really keen to help support us through this build, hit up our Patreon. The links are all in the description below. Have a good one. Peace out.